Hello everybody, so this will be a very quick video talking about the recent Notion API since it's now in public beta. Everybody wishing to use the Notion API. I thought about maybe it would be cool to use with Unity. So here I did a Unity specific C# client wrapper for the Notion API, and for example, over here I have I'm thinking about a card game, and I can have a card database storing all of the card data. And in Unity, when I play the game, I can calling the HTTP request to the Notion endpoint, and I can get all the data from there. So I've actually made the client API wrapper for it, so it's available on GitHub. Yeah, and let me walk through about it. So the client API is actually very simple. It's just using plain Unity stuff, the coroutine stuff, and using the built-in JSON utility. So it should be work on most of the platform that Unity supported without any external dependency. Once you've got the package installed, that you can install it via the git URL, or you can just pull it down the project and pull it into the packages folder. So you can just go ahead and create a database schema, test, maybe just call it test.db. So you will need to have your API key put into there, and I'm going to do a quick little database to test out the whole integration flow. So the table. Let me go ahead and create a table. Let me create a full page table. Yes. So if you're not familiar with how Notion API works, so basically you will need to create a specific integration for your own use. And once you have the integration, you will have the secret token that you can put into the Unity Notion API wrapper, or you can directly invoke it with that secret key. And once you have a new database created, you will need to authorize your own integration, so that that secret key will have access to this database. So let me just randomly create some stuff over here. So maybe this item 3. And you can have some description. So now I have 3 items here and 3 columns. I can go ahead and copy out the database URL. So you can put your database ID. You can do a fetch schema. So the package that I did will automatically oops, I shouldn't have a space for it, because it will also automatically generate the C# script which represent the properties in your database, in your Notion table. So 1 second. Yep, so let me do that again. So now you can see that there will be a test.db C# script automatically reader for you, and it is matching the column that I did in the Notion table. Currently, it's not every property is supported, so you will have to try it yourself and see if the property you're going to use is supported currently. Yes, so once you get everything set up, and let me just duplicate this, and let me try just simply printing out everything that I've got from the request. So that will be the test.db The IntelliSense should be working right now. Yes, it's working right now. So I can just do a simple query database by passing in the type that we just created by the Notion API wrapper, and then we can simply log out everything that we have. So we have the name, so name.value. So I think we also have a description, and also the tags. So aggregate. Maybe we can do a C sharp. Yup, I think it's something like this. Aggregate. Don't mind the variable name. Yeah, I think I will need a initial value. Yes, that should be working. So let's see how that prints out. So let me disable the original test that I have, and we drag in the let me copy the API key, and let me go ahead and grab the database ID. Yup, and let's test it out. So yes, I think we're getting some yeah, we're getting the item free, some long tags, and yeah. So that's how you can use the Unity Notion API wrapper to easily grab the data from your Notion table and just integrate it in Unity and for some usage as you might think of. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you.